All right. This is called Poem Review, composed on Disneyland's Pirates of the Caribbean, which is not filmed there because it's crazy over there. What can you do? So, you ride a boat through a New Orleans-themed restaurant. Nobody barely looks up from their Monte Cristo sandwiches. Guy pulls at some banjo strings, in sync with the crickets, as your boat rolls past, around a bend. A skull wearing a hat says something, but before you can gather what he's trying to tell you, the bottom drops to waterfall splash and robot skeletons, or are they droids? You forget the right name. Tell you all sorts of tales while telling you they don't tell tales, but that's a storyteller, you suppose. They tell you tales about not telling tales in their tales. Skeletons situated on Matterhorns of gold, relaxed in dusty beds, they tell more tales. They grow faces and shoot at you, at each other, at everything, as cannons steam and things like Davy Jones gets dropped in conversation. You chug into a little town, overrun by droids and Johnny Depps. But everyone seems to want the red-haired pirate woman more than Johnny Depp, except for the pirate who looks at his pig friends. The way we all wish Johnny Depp or a red-haired pirate woman would look at us. And there's up-tempo singing with a donkey and a dog, all while the town burns down, and there is shown an alarming lack of footwear. Here, the dog's the smart one. He's the one outside the cage. He's got the keys, waits for the best offer as the charred logs groan and the audio animatronic pie robots. That's what you'll call them. Give a PSA on how too much rum has a real impact on your decision-making skills as Johnny Depp sings and you get whiplash by boat after boat, rear-ending, and a maritime escalator carries you back yo-ho, to where it all starts. Again, and again, and again.